Solving this given two polynomials equation by state transient matrix decomposition by using decomposition method. First of all, write a given problem as it is. Then by using chain rule, here x of s upon y u of s into y of s upon x of s. See here x of s and x of s get cancelled. So this equation is written as like this. So first of all, consider this term and with this 1 upon this term. So let's consider this xs upon u of s is equal to this term, that is 6s plus 8. So we can write this equation as this, cross multiply this with this equation, then we get this like this u of s. Now we have to assume something just like this. For first of all, we have to take x1 is equal to x, x2 is equal to x1 x dash 1 dash, and x3 is equal to x1 double dash, and x2 dash is equal to x1 double dash is equal to x3. So the above this equation can be this equation written as such a that is x3 dash is equal to this u of t minus 5u. This equation, this s cube, is written as this one x3. So x3 minus this 5u, here is not 5u, here is s x, sorry. So this term is written as like this x3 point minus u of t minus x3 minus 5u times x2 minus 6 x1 minus 8 is like this x1. It will become like this. So once we get this one, we have to make the transition matrix. So x1 dash, x2 dash and x3 dash, this can be written as 0 1 0. From this equation, these are written 1, that is minus 5u minus 6 and minus 8. These are taken from here. So the term is minus 6 x1. So where is x1? So here is an x1, so we can return from here, and all these values are written. So here is minus and here is minus 5u, and the remaining term, that is 8, here, and all the values of x1, x2 and x3. Once we take its matrix multiplication, then it comes like this equation. So call this matrix as A. Now we have to take this one, first one, that is this equation as with this. So it is written as y of s upon x of s is equal to 2s plus 3. So we have to shift this x to this side, that is y of s is equal to 2s plus 3 into x of s. So now we have to put the x1, the y of t is obtained as 2 x1 dash. These values are taken from above values plus 3 x1, and it is written in matrix form. This equation is written in matrix form as coefficients of that particular this equation, coefficient of this particular equation, that is x1 dash and this. But is we have to convert it into the next step, that is x2. This dash can be written as x2 plus 3 x1. So here 3 2, because here the coefficient of x1 is 3 and coefficient of x2 is 2 and coefficient of x3 is 0. There is x3 is not present, term of x3 is not present, so we can write here x1 x2 and x3. The given problem is this: we have to make a block diagram. So the block diagram is defined, that is here the present term is 3, so the we add, these are the 3 blocks of sum. So one, these are the integrators. And how can we write the feedback from here? The feedback is obtained from this term, that is x to the power 3. So take it from here. So the last block of these with -8 is connected to this summer, and from this the 6 -6, the below term below equation is given as a minus negative sign over here, and upper term which comes here, upper this equation, upper term comes in positive way. We are taking the below term, we are taking into the negative way. So we take this from here with a -5 and given to this block. So in these steps, here nothing is present here, so 1 is coming. After that, after doing such a thing, what we have to do here is just make a block again for above equation, this equation. So add here one block and given the name 3 here. This 3 is comes from here, the 3 is comes from here, this value is coming from here. Now we have to add this one. So let's make one x1. So we have to give first of all the name to this one. So here is x1, there is x1 dash, there is x2, there is x2 dash, here is x3, and here is x3 dash. These are the values are given. So x1, we have to obtain the values of x2. So x2 is obtained from here, so we have to connect one block from here to this one, to this, and given to this summer. So in this case, the whole output is changed with this one. This block is added in the upper side. When it comes to the negative terms of these one are written in negative form, the below term, and the above term of this equation is written in the above, on the above side, and it is in the positive way. And the magnitude is taken from here, that is if it is here 5, then it comes here the 5 if it is that. So this is about the double polynomial equation block diagram. Thank you.